Hey everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel.
If you want to erase your old iPad to sell or give it away, or just want to erase it, but you may forget the Apple ID password and you can't do the erase, no worries. We are here for you to help you erase it without your ID password. No kidding.
In this video, I'll show you how to erase an iPad without Apple ID safely and easily.
Let's dive right in.
Method 1. Erase iPad with iTunes or Finder.
iTunes is an official software. You can plug your device into your computer
and put into the recovery mode.
Then select Restore from the menu and let the restoration process run. It'll take about 35 minutes, but it's low and may prompt you a note to enter your ID password, or it doesn't work well. You can use Method 2. Method 2. Erase Apple ID without password using UltFone iPhone Unlock. When a computer restore fails, or you want a simpler, faster option, UltFone iPhone Unlock offers a user-friendly way to erase your iPad without needing your Apple ID or iTunes. Download and install UltFone iPhone Unlock from UltFone's official site. Connect your iPad to the computer and launch UltFone iPhone Unlock.
If a Trust This Computer prompt pops up, make sure to tap Trust.
Select Remove Apple ID. Then click Start to Remove.
And UltFone iPhone Unlock will detect your iPad and show the latest firmware. Click Download.
When the firmware is ready, click Start to Remove to begin. Make sure your iPad is protected with a 6-digit passcode and that two-factor authentication is enabled. Confirm both and click Continue to start Apple ID removal.
The process usually takes around 10 minutes.
When the removal is complete, UltFone iPhone Unlock will guide you through the next steps. During setup, if you see the iPad locked to owner screen, tap Unlock with passcode and choose Use Device Passcode. Then enter your passcode and you're in.
Now, continue the setup and you'll be able to sign in with a new Apple ID in Settings. That's it. You've successfully removed the old Apple ID and regained full access to your device. And that's it. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPad solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.